Hi there. I thought I'd help you get set up on this problem. We're going to be creating a bar graph with a lot of information. So we have 3 years of information and 4 quarters in each year. So I have set up in Excel because I want to let Excel do the heavy lifting here. I have a spreadsheet. You can see how I put Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 vertically, and then I've put the years here horizontally. So you'll want to do the same. I would encourage you to go ahead and put the values in here as well. You'll need to type them just as you are given them 4328 and so forth. So I'm going to pause just a minute and put these in here so that you can get caught up on having all your values in there as well. All right, as you can see, I've got them all set up here. Now, watch your values because I was noticing as I was typing them in, as the numbers went this way, I had to kind of make them go vertically. So double check your numbers definitely before you create your chart. Now, here's the beauty. Excel has all the tools you need to make a really nice bar graph of this information. All you need to do is highlight the information you want, and then we're going to tell Excel that we want a table here. So we're going to insert and charts, but we want a bar graph. So when you click on that drop down menu, you'll see that you have some options as far as what kind of bar graphs you want. I particularly like this one. So I click on that one, let Excel do its thing to create a chart for me. And you can notice that it has placed the values that I had from my table into a bar graph. Now, you'll want to do a little bit of tweaking here because obviously you don't want to leave chart title there. But here's the easy part about Excel. Can just highlight that and type in whatever you want the chart to be named. You may want to see company profit, something like that. So make sure that you use Excel and all of its features. You can even change the colors here if you want to play with that as well. Make it look exactly like you want it to look. I hope this video helped. If you have other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love the opportunity to help. And as always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get a notification every time a new video is posted. Bye for now.